The reason I got into this is because I'm trying to build a pension where I can get a monthly income out of it. And I must say that over the months of trading, I've been quite successful at this. I've built up a relatively decent kitty in the meantime, and should achieve my objective within a fairly short time. I must say that I've done this rather than the referrals and the binary bonuses that go with it. I've since the last few weeks, I have recruited some friends, family into the system, and apart from the trading profit, I'm also now getting started to get some binary commission as well on Saturday.